I haven't been who I was.
You want to what, Bradley? Or you want a
I'm
spoon?
supposed to be the one.
Alright, try again.
I feel so useless cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, cause I know that you deserve much more than this.
What's that?
The red one's sad. The pink one is okay. The light green one is tired.
That one.
And the bright green one is happy. How are you feeling?
Tired.
Oh good. Oh good. Where are we going, Bradley?
Good enough, but you're all I need. I'd take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance, I swear.
That's it, go, go, go! Way! That one's not so good. You've got, right, remember, you've got to point your...
You to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you.
That one out, yeah. Remember to point your wheels straight.
Woo! You okay, Brad? Me and Bradley are stuck at the top. We've got to get Daddy to come help, and Daddy's getting annoyed. Isn't he, Bradley? Look, Bradley's stuck at the top. Daddy needs to come and help.
Daddy, he needs to come and help. Help.
Well, don't pull me because I need to wait.
The dramatic rescue. Right.
Thank God we're down. Don't go up there. It's really high when you get up there.
Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, cause I don't know what to do if you go.
The bridge.
I just don't know what to do.
Lots of peas and carrots.
If it was not